Very good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed problems based on 7.4 exercise, and as 1 or 2 examples also we solved. Then, in this class, we are going to discuss example number 19. See there? You read the question. In theory, usually they are giving 5 marks question, this one. In this year they deleted theory exams, so that just we are discussing in the entrance point of view. You don't bother about it detailed steps. Just while you are reading, you should understand the question. So only answer we need in these cases, because there is no theory exams, means detailed solution not necessary. Now you read the question, example number 18. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards out of 52 playing cards? How many of these? First one, so 5 bits they given. 4 cards are of the same suit. So here you should know one more concept here. Total 52 playing cards are there. Total 52 playing cards. So there are 2 colored cards. One is red card. Red card means 26 will be there. Second one is black. Black cards means another 26. So in these red cards, 2 suits will be there. One is heart. Second one is a diamond. So here heart cards are 13. Diamonds also 13. Then black cards, spades. Here 13 spades, clubs. Here also 13 clubs are there. In these 13, what are the cards you observe? First one is ace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining cards are face cards. Here total 10 cards. Remaining 3. King, queen, jack. So these 3 cards are face cards. These 3 cards are face cards. You remember? These are the suits. 4 suits are there. So how many suits are there? 4 suits. In every suit there will be 13 cards. How they are 13 cards split means, ace means number 1 card. You remember, this is nothing but number 1 card. So these are called numbering cards. 10 numbering cards are there. 3 are face cards. Here 3 face cards, here 3 face cards, here 3 face cards, here 3 face cards. Total 12 face cards will be there. 12 face cards will be there. So remaining 40 are called numbering cards. So A is nothing but number 1 card. You remember? So A is nothing but number 1 card. These are the 3 cards are called face cards. So king, here 1 king. So 4 kings are there. In every suit 1 king will be there, 1 queen will be there, 1 jack will be there. In every suit 1 ace card will be there. Totally 4 ace cards, 4 kings, 4 jacks, 4 queens, 4 jacks. Similarly, 2 cards, number 2 cards, how many? 4 cards. Number 3 cards, 4. Like that, each and every numbering card, 4 will be there. So here 1 card, like that. So total numbering cards in every suit 10 means 40. Then that face cards, every suit 3 cards means 12 face cards. Total 52 face cards will be there. So like that we have to split. The cards are 52 playing cards. So you should remember this one. Next. Now we'll see the question.
1
4 cards are of the same suit. 4 cards are of the same suit. So required number of ways equal to 4 cards are of the same suit. How many suits are there? 4 suits. Suppose 4 cards we can select either heart card or spade means heart diamonds or spades or clubs. See here. So 4 cards we have to select. How many heart cards will be there? 13. How many you have to select? 4. R means plus. Fundamental principle of addition. Next, diamonds. 13 diamonds will be there. 4 we have to select. R. 13 spades are there. 4 we have to select. R means plus and means multiplication. Clubs. 13 clubs are there. 4 we have to select. So 13C4 plus 13 like that 4 times are there. So this is 4 times of 13C4. So this is 4 into 13C4. This suffix 4 means 13 we have to reduce 3 times. How to reduce C? 13, 12, 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 4 factorial. Nothing but 24. So this is 12 2 times 2 times. So if you multiply 2 into 13 into 11 into 10, so finally this is 26. 26 into 110. So 26 into 110. So if you multiply this one, what you will get? 2860. 2860 will come. So like that we have to answer first one. So you remember 4 cards are of the one suit means there are 4 suits are there. This is heart, diamonds, spades, clubs. So from either you can select either heart or diamond or spade or club. So heart means 13C4 like that, diamonds, spades, clubs. So we have to simplify like that. So this is the way of answering this type of questions. Next, second one. So in the second bit, 4 cards belongs to 4 different suits. 4 cards belongs to 4 different suits. See here. The required number of ways. So 4 cards belongs to 4 different suit means in every suit one card we have to select. See here. Suppose maybe heart card one can be selected. This is and 13C1 from the diamonds, from the spades 1 card, from the clubs 1 card. So how many cards you have to select? 1 card. So from the same suit, from one suit means 1 card. You observe here multiplication we used. Previously, listen here. So first suit means 4 cards we selected. So our selection is also 4 cards. So our work is completed. So work is completed means plus R 13C4. Here also work is completed. R 13C4. R 13C4 ways. Like that we selected. But in this case, from the every suit one card. 1 card if you select means our work is not completed because our work is 4 cards we have to select. So this is 13C. Either means first card from the heart and diamond and spade and clubs. So and word we are using means multiplication. So from this 13C1 means 13 into 13 into again 13 into 13. So this is 13 to the power 4. So this is the required number of ways. Next, third question. The 4 cards are face cards. You see there. Third bit. The required number of ways. For means 4 cards are face cards. How many face cards are there? 12. How many cards we have to select? 4 cards. So 12C4 means 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 4 factorial means 24. This is 2 times cancel. This is 5 times cancel. So this is 55 into 9. So this is 9 5s are 45. This is 5, 4. This is 45 means 45 plus 4, 49. So 495 ways we can draw. Means 4 cards are face cards means total 12 face cards are there. 4 can be selected. So like that you have to answer third case. Then fourth case. So how to answer fourth case? Fourth case, 2 cards are red cards, 2 cards are black cards. So required number of ways. See. Required number of ways. What they are asking? Total 4 cards we have to select. So 2 are red cards and 2 are black cards. You see here. 4 cards we have to select. 2 are red cards and another 2 cards are black cards. So red cards how many are there? 26. How many cards we have to select? 2 cards and means into. Another 26 black cards are there. 1, 2 can be selected. So 26C2. So that is 26C2 into 26C2 whole square. So 26C2 whole square. How to write? See, 26 into 25 divided by 2 factorial whole square. So this is 30 times cancel. So 30 times cancel means 13 into 25. This is 325 whole square. So 325 whole square you can leave as these are. You can write the number 10 1 lakh 5. This is 1 lakh 5625. So that is the value of 325 whole square. 105625. So like this required number of ways means 2 cards are red cards, another 2 cards are black cards. Like this you have to answer. Next, fifth one. Cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color. You see here. Same color means 4 cards we have to select. So 4 cards, maybe first one is red cards. Another 4 cards may be black cards. This is word. Why? 4 cards, 4 are red cards means 4 card selection. Our work completed. So 4 cards are there. Our work is completed means R. Work is not completed means end. So that point you have to remember. How many total red cards are there? 26. C4 ways. And R means plus. This is 26 C4. So 26 C4 means how to write? This is 2 times is there. So 2 times 26 C4. So this is 2 into 26 we have to reduce 3 times because suffix 3 4 is there. So 26 into 25 into 24 into 23 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial nothing but 24. So 2 into 26 26 into 25 into 23. If you multiply this one, nearly this is exactly 2000 means 29,900. So this is the your answer. Like this, number of ways of selecting means finally what they are asking question. Cards are of the same color. Same color means all 4 cards are maybe red cards or all 4 cards may be black cards. So either red cards or black cards. Suppose 2 red cards are 2 black cards means AND word we have to use. AND means multiplication. R means addition. So that point you have to remember. Next. Like that, you have to answer example 21. So now we are going to answer example 20. Say question. How many words with or without meaning, whether they are meaning or meaningless, no problem. Each of 3 vowels, 2 consonants. So vowels, consonants. So how many vowels will be there? 3 vowels. How many consonants will be there? That is 2 consonants. Can be formed from the letters of the word involute. Involute. So total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there. So how many letters words we have to form means 5 letters words. 3 plus 2, 5 letters words. So in these 5 letters words, 3 vowels, consonant 2 will be there. Should be there. So see here. How many vowels are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 vowels are there. Next. How many consonants are there? Remaining 4 consonants will be there. So we have to form 5 letter words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 letters, 3 are vowels, 2 are consonants. How many vowels are there? 4 vowels are there. How many vowels we require? 3 vowels. Work completed? No, because 5 letters we have to choose. Only 3 letters we chosen. Remaining 2 letters from the consonants. How many consonants are there? 4. 2 we have to select. So later, this is 3, 2. Among them, how many ways we can interchange? So interchanging means 5 letters are there. That is 5 factorial. So you remember, after selection of these 3 means 2, 3 vowels, 2 consonants, 5 letters we are having. That 5 letters, how many ways we can mix it? Means 5 factorial ways. This is the required number of ways. 4C3 nothing but 4C1. 4C2 means 4C2 only. 5 factorial means 120. So this is 4 into 4C2 means 6 into 120. So this is 24 into 12. So 24 into 120. So how much it is? 0. 24 2s are 48. 24 1s are 24 28. 2880. So how many ways? Required ways means 2880 ways. Like this we have to answer. Next concept, rank of the word. Rank of the word means, suppose some letters they given. With that letters, how many words we can form. So that is called rank of the word. Now if you see the example number 22nd, page number 155. Find the number of words with or without meaning which can be made using all the letters of the word again. A-G-A-I-N. again. If these words are written as in a dictionary, what will be the 50th word? So if you arrange all these letters of the words according to dictionary, in a dictionary first letters start with A, then A, B, C, D, F, G, then Z, then I, then N. Like that words can be formed according to dictionary. So if you arrange like that as per dictionary, what is the 50th word? So total how many words we can form? We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial. Any repeated letters are there? 2 A's are there. Divided by 2 factorial. Nothing but this is 120 divided by 2 nothing but 2. Totally 60 words we can form. Whether they are meaning or meaningless, we don't bother about it. So total 60 words we can form. In these 60 words, what is the 50th word? They are asking question. 50th word. Very clear. So 5 letters are there. 5 blanks we are choosing. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the words start with A. Words start with A. So what are the words start with A? How many words are there start with A? See here. Total 5 factorial. Total 5 factorial. So this is start with the A. So remaining how many blanks are there? 4 blanks. So you write 4 factorial. 4 factorial. 4 factorial means okay. This is A. Remaining words. How many? Let's see. A fixed here. Remaining how many letters are there? G, A, I, N. 4 places, 4 blanks. How many ways we can interchanging means 4 factorial ways. So total 24 words are there. Start with A. Next. What is the after A? According to dictionary, G will come. According to English alphabets rank we have to give. See, 1 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So this is the rank of means order of the letters of the word according to dictionary. After A, then which letters start with G? The words start with G. The words start with G. So G fixed here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blanks. Remaining 4 letters. What are the remaining 4 letters? A, I, N. So how many ways? 4 factorial. Then remaining repeated letters A. So 2 letters are there. 2 factorial. So how many words we got here? This is 12 words. So far how many words we got? 36 words we got. Which word we required? 50th word. Next. The words start with I. Next our word is I. So this is word start with I. Remaining 4 blanks are there. This is 4 blanks, 4 letters. In these 4 letters, 2 A's are there. Repeated letters. Again this is 12 words. So far we got 48. We need 50th word. So we reached near to 50. Now we got 48. Then 49th, 50th word. What is the 49th word? See. 49th word. After I, which one will come? G, N will come. See here. This is N. According to dictionary, A. Then G, I. So this is G. This is N, A, I, G. After A, then G, I will come. So you observe. Suppose I here, this is G. See here, N, A. Suppose I will come here means G. So this is one word. This is the 49th word. So what is the 50th word? 50th word means N, A, this interchanging. This is G, I. So what is this 50th word? What is the 50th word they are asking only? No. N-A-A. So after what is the order? After A, G will come. So this is G, I. So what is the 50th word means? This is G, I, G will come. So this is the 50th word. So what is the 50th word means? This one. N-A-A-I-G. So that is the 50th word. Letters of the word again. So in the entrance point of view, this is actually theoretically we can prove like this. In the entrance point of view, how to answer? Now we got this is N-A-A-I-G. Rank of the word means position of the word. This word position is 50th out of 60 words are there. 50th word is this is N-A-A-I-G, Naig. So that is the 50th word. So how to write direct answer? So one word they given. How to calculate rank of the word directly without using this procedure? So in the entrance point of view, how to calculate? Actually we calculate theoretically. What is the 50th word means? Naig. So in the entrance point of view, how to answer directly? What is the rank of the word? How to calculate? So this is one trick only, you should remember. Means one shortcut way. First to give ranking of these letters. A, B, C, D, F, G means second. I means third. This is last fourth. First, you have to choose first number, first digit. So first digit is 4. Now you close this one. Towards its right side, how many digits less than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. You write 4 here. So including 4, any numbers are repeated. So first step is less than that number. Second step is any repeated letters. So only 2 steps follow, we have to follow. So including 4, any numbers repeated, 4 not repeated. So 1 repeated 2 times by 2 factorial. Next, this one 1. Next we have to choose 1. Towards its right side. How many numbers less than 1? No digit is there. So this is 0. Including 1, any repeated are there. 1, 1. So this is 2 factorial. Next, you choose 1. Towards its right side, any digit less than 1 means no digit. 0. Any digit repeated, only right side. No. So, then 3 you select. Any digits less than 3 towards its right side. 1 because 2 is there. Then 2 if you select means no digit is there. That is 0. Then start with 0 factorial from the right. Then 1 factorial. Then 2 factorial. Then 3 factorial. Then 4 factorial. So this is common for every column. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, like that. Then sum of the product of these numbers, we have to multiply these two, means 0. This is 1. 0 into 2 factorial. 0 by 2 factorial means 0. Into 3 factorial means 0. This is 4 by 2 means 2. Into 4 factorial. Nothing but 24. 48 plus 1. 49. You remember? Before this word, how many words are there? 49 words are there. What is the next word means? This word. So this is plus 1. So this is 50th word. So what is the rank of this word means? 50. So this is the shortcut formula you should remember while you are calculating rank of a word. So this is most important in the entrance point of view. In theory means previous method. So theory exam, theory exam is not there. so you don't bother about it. Only entrance point of view how to calculate rank of the word. Next. One more word we'll see. That is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. What is the rank of this word? Means according to dictionary, what is the position? If you arrange all these letters, if you mix it, then what is the mother? According to alphabet dictionary, alphabets if you arrange. See, first we have to give ranking. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So this is the ranking. So 6 letters are there, 6 ranking we are giving. Because in this word there is no repeated letters, no problem. So what I told procedure, first we have to select 3. Towards its right side, how many digits less than 3? 1, 2. So 2 digits are there, 2. Including 3, any digit is repeated. No digit is repeated. Next, you choose 4. Any digit less than 4, again 2 digits are there. You write 2. Next, 6 you choose. Any digit less than 6, 1, 2, 3. So you write 3 here. Next, you choose 2. Any digit less than 2 towards its right side, means 1 is there, 1 digit. Next, 1 you choose towards its right side, no digit less than 1, that is 0. Then 5 you choose, this is 0. Next, what is the next step? Start with right side, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, this is 5 factorial. Then we have to add these numbers, multiply and adding. So this is multiplication, addition. This is multiplication, addition. This is multiplication, addition. Multiplication, these two we have to multiply. These two we have to multiply. See here, 0 into 0 factorial, 0. This is 0. This is 1 into 2 factorial means 2. 3 into 3 factorial. So 3 into 6. This is 2 into 24. This is 2 into 5 factorial, 120. So you tell me, this is 240 plus 48 plus 18 plus 2. So this is 16, 18. So this is 2, 6, 10. This is 309. So before this word mother, there are 308 words are there. 308 words are there. What is the rank of this word means plus 1. So for any problem it is there. Last suppose 308 means what is the rank of the word means plus 1. So plus 1 nothing but 309. So rank of the word mother, rank is, that is 309. So like that we have to calculate rank of the word. Next. We'll see what is the rank of the word rank. R-A-N-K. What is the rank of the word rank? So according to alphabets, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. See here. First you choose digit 4 towards its right side. How many digits less than 4? 1, 2, 3. You write 3 here. Then 1 you choose. How many digits less than 1? No digit means 0. This 3 you select. Towards its right side. How many digits less than 3? 1. Then 2 you choose. No digit towards its right side. 0. Then what is the next step? 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial. Then multiplying, adding, multiplying, adding, multiplying, adding. This is multiplying. So 0 factorial means this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 3 into 24. So 24. This is 4 factorial. This is 3 factorial. Sorry. This is 3 factorial. Nothing but 6. 18 plus 1, 19. See here. Before the word rank, how many words are there? 19 words are there. What is the next word? Plus 1. So 20th word is rank. If you arrange all these letters according to dictionary. So what is the rank of the word means 20th word. Like that, sir. You have to answer. Okay. Next. Similarly, I will give some problems. You have to practice. So master. So what is the master rank? 257. You check. Next, Toronto. T-O-R-O-N T-O. Toronto. This rank of the word is 361. Next, India. So what is the word of the rank? India 46. Next, success. So what is the success rank word is 331. So these problems you have to practice. Okay, thank you.